Thinking about using DSers, let's break down the DSers pricing and free plan in 2025 and whether it's worth it. First, the free plan is solid if you're just getting started. You can manage up to 3 stores, import 3,000 products, and fulfill bulk orders, all without paying a cent. It even includes basic product mapping and automated order tracking. For beginners, that's more than enough. Now, if you want more like advanced mapping, affiliate tracking, or support for up to 100,000 products, you'll need a paid plan. These advanced plan starts at around $20 per month, and the pro plan goes up depending on your own store size. In 2025, Deezers also added better supplier optimization and faster sync-in speeds for paid users, which is great if you are scaling or managing high-volume stores. So, is the free plan good? Yes, especially for testing products and learning the ropes. Paid plans totally worth it once shoe sales picks up. If this helped, like and subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and check the next video where I'll show you how to get the most out of the free plan before upgrading.